Ever had a dirty dog from Guatemala? We're tasting one of the country's most famous street foods, the Shuco hot dog.
All right, the food tour continues. We are looking for a Guatemalan hot dog style called Shucos. As you notice, we're in the hood, like deep hood. We've been to this place before and it was really good. I mean, it's a hot dog, but what makes it different is the flavors, the toppings they do. So we're going over there. If you notice, this is an area you probably don't want to walk during at night. And the place is like a parking structure that sells the hot dogs. The Guatemalan flag flies nicely. And we're gonna go order some Shucos. Come on, roll me together, squad. Let's go. Hey.
Gracias.
Okay.
Okay, so
Explain.
you want the hot dog? So Shucos, it's a hot dog.
Right.
So it comes with the chimichurri, guacamole, onion, cilantro.
Is that the hot dog there?
Cabbage. No, that's mixto. Oh no, that's hold on. Yeah, I believe so. That's the mixto.
Which one's a Shuco? What is that?
Garnachas. So that's with beef. Es carne, no? The red. And this is churrasco. That's the plate.
Okay. I just want the Shuco. The
Shuco?
Shuco.
Okay, which you want mixto, which is mixto, no? You want like this?
I don't know what they're making, but they're roasting something. All right, let's get you guys up close and personal here at this Shucos place. This is a Guatemalan hot dog. As you can see, there's various ingredients here. Avocado, there's the, what is that? Looks like bacon. And you got the hot dogs, there's cheese, there's like tomato up there, mayonnaise, and mustard. So this is a garnacha. Look at that. What comes in a garnachas?
It's a fried tortilla.
Fried tortilla.
With shredded beef.
With shredded beef.
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
Cilantro.
Cilantro.
Cheese.
Cheese.
And then with a side of escabeche, which is
Cabbage. Like the little side salad,
yeah,
but it's
yeah.
a little
spicy.
The word Shuco actually means dirty, but don't worry, it's not dirty to eat. It just looks messy because it's loaded with toppings. And that's what makes it so good. First, a warm toasted bun. Next, a grilled sausage, sometimes bratwurst or chorizo. Then creamy avocado spread, a crunchy layer of cabbage or sauerkraut. And of course, sauces, ketchup, mustard, mayo, and maybe even a secret spicy green sauce. Shucos became popular in the 1970s as a cheap, tasty snack for workers and students. Today, they're the perfect late night bite shared with friends while hanging out in the city. The Guatemalan Shuco isn't just a hot dog, it's a flavor explosion and a messy, delicious tradition. If you ever visit Guatemala, don't leave without trying one.